Builderall 3.0 is here, ladies and gentlemen. You better get it while the getting is good. You can have it while the getting is great, something like that. Anyways, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Win Jen is here back with another video to all my entrepreneurs, especially to my entrepreneurs who love the Lord here. I'm shooting a video for Builderall 3.0. We just had a meeting, a weekly meeting here with Builderall, and we were just it is now released, the Builderall canvas to all the business tier people, not the ones who got the lower tier, but the ones that's got the business package. You're able now to go to Builderall canvas and check out some things and use those things. So if you need the Builderall business right now, click the link below and upgrade, or get it right now so you can check it out. If you don't have it, you can also get my free 7-day trial below, that you can test it out before you even buy it. And so if you want to test it out, go on down there and hit the link below. But again, Builderall 3.0 is on the way. What I'm doing here is going to show you a little snippet of what happened in the classroom today, where we went over the Builderall canvas and how it's a game changer to the software community. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to start doing this later on, but you can say that Builderall did it first. And I know a lot of people don't like Builderall. They got a lot of bad things to say about them, and a lot of people do like Builderall. But the thing about it is, there's something about every software that you're not going to like, that you're not going to enjoy, right? It's something about ClickFunnels that I didn't like. It's something about Kartra that I didn't like. It's something about Builderall that I didn't like. But it's some things, to me, Builderall outweighed what I didn't like compared to the ClickFunnels and compared to Kartra and etc., Conversion Pros or Online Sales Pro. I can go on and on. So, but Builderall, some things I don't like about it, but I think the good outweighs the bad, and I can always respect a man or respect a business when they try to attempt to get better. They listen to the community and they attempt to get better and better, day by day, year by year, whatever the case may be. Again, we've been out for a couple of years in the US, and we already know on Builderall 3.0, meaning that we'll continue to update to get better and make sure that this software is the best software out there. Again, it's going to have some glitches, it's going to have some misunderstanding. What software does not have glitches? What software does not have mess ups in their system? It's technology. It's going to mess up, it's going to have glitches, but it can be fixed. So again, I know some of you may not like it, but it doesn't matter. Builderall 3.0 free trial is below. If you don't have it, test it out yourself. You have to get the business package as well, right? So the Builderall canvas, a little teaching, a little background, little snippet into our meeting today. Check it out now.